Meaning of divorce.
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 Divorce. Divorce is a legal process that ends a marriage between two individuals. It results in the termination of the marital relationship and the dissolution of the legal bonds that were established during the marriage. The result of a divorce may include the division of property, alimony payments, child custody arrangements, and child support obligations. It can be a difficult and emotionally challenging experience for all parties involved, but it can also provide a path towards a fresh start and new beginnings.